Hello and welcome back to another Python tutorial. My name's Tom with LearnPythonTutorial.com, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to remove items from a dictionary. In the previous tutorial we learned how to add items, and the tutorial before that we learned how to create dictionaries. So like we said before, dictionaries hold data, and data is a key part of programs. So if we can create and add data to a dictionary, we should be able to remove it. That makes it mutable. So we are able to delete data. Now, there's four different ways to do this, so we're going to take a look at each one. I'm going to use our previous dictionary that we've been using. So let me go ahead and get that data in there. And you go ahead and pause the video if you want to copy that data and follow along. So we got turtle as a key, and Speedy as a value, dog as a key, Maggie as a value, cat as a key, and Steve as a value in our dictionary. Now let's take a look at the first method of removing data from a dictionary. First one is using del, which stands for delete, and then we call our dictionary A, then square brackets, and then our key. So let's say we want to remove cat. Alright, and then square brackets, and we do del A, so we're calling our dictionary here because A is representing our dictionary, and then we call the key cat, and we want to remove Steve. So hit return, and if we call A now, we get our dictionary returned to us, and it only contains two items here. We got Turtle and Speedy, and Dog and Maggie. So cat no longer exists. It's been removed. So that's one way to remove it. We can do it again just to practice. We do del A, square brackets, and this time we'll remove turtle. And call A, and now we have only one item remaining in our dictionary, and it's dog, and her name's Maggie. Alright, so that's one method of removing data from a dictionary. So let's go ahead and copy our dictionary once again so we don't have to type it out. We'll come down here and paste it. This way we have some items in our dictionary to work with. Now, our next one that we can use is a method called pop item. And pop item will remove the first item in a dictionary. Alright, and it will return it to us. So let's take a look at that. So if I go a.pop item, and then parentheses, hit return, it's going to return to us the value the key and the value, and it takes the first one off the dictionary. Every time it's going to take the first one off the dictionary. Now let's run one more here just for practice sake. We'll do a.pop item, and it's going to remove the next one, dog and Maggie. Alright, so it takes it off the front end here. Now, pop item is great if you're kind of like iterating through a dictionary to remove items, but other than that, it's not very accurate or effective. Or I should just say accurate. I guess it is effective, but it's not accurate. We sometimes, like I said before, dictionaries reorder themselves. That's why they have keys. So pop item might not be the best option. Now, let's go ahead and paste in our dictionary again, and let's take a look at another method of removing items, and that's called pop. Now, pop item took from the front end of the dictionary. Now, pop gives us the option to take it via the key, remove an item via the key, and return the value of that item. So we can do a.pop, and we can use a key. We'll say dog. Hit return, and it returns to me the value of Maggie. So now it doesn't return the key like pop item does because we're putting the key right here. So it doesn't have to return that, but it returns the value to us. So we can do it one more time. A pop with a cat, and it returns to us Steve. Alright, great. That's pretty simple and straightforward. So now we can grab the item via the key and return the value of that item, and that's pretty straightforward. And the last one is what happens if we want to clear the whole dictionary instead of going through and doing like say a.pop item, and removing turtle speed and speedy. Now we got 2 left. We could do a.clear and in parentheses and call a, and now we got an empty dictionary, so we can clear our whole dictionary that way. So, say you're storing data in the dictionary as a user is using your program. When you go to close out the program, you want to remove that data from the dictionary so it's ready to collect more data when the program fires back up. Well, you could use something like a.clear, or use clear here, the clear method, and go ahead and remove that data at the end of the session. So that is removing data from dictionaries in Python. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on YouTube or on our website at learnpythontutorial.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like the video. We'll see you in the next one.